We record like this.
This gun, I give you a 4 cardinal rules of gun safety. So what is the 4 cardinal rules of gun safety? Always treat the gun is loaded. No. Always treat they have a ammo or whether they have a bullet or not have a bullet. Always treat the gun is loaded. Okay. Number 2, do not point anybody in this gun if you're not willing to destroy it. Do not point to anybody.
Ibang baril mo itutok mo kay mama.
And then number 3, always trigger finger out. Alis ka dyan, boy. Dito ka.
Dito kami.
Always trigger finger out unless if when I said fire, when you are ready, you put your trigger in. Okay? And then if you're not if you are not ready, always trigger finger out. And then after that, do not point on your anybody. You point this on the target. Okay? If they have a people there around the target, don't put your gun or don't point the gun at the target. You need to put your gun down. Okay? Any question?
Asas ko.
They have a tendency. Okay? And then you put semi. It's a single shots only. Okay? Then you try it. Just make a command. My command. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Get your stable
Kung nga
position.
yung wala siya mamaya na.
Okay. Your chin put here in 2 inches. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fighters, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fire when you are ready. Unsafe. Put semi. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Okay. Okay.
Doon ka mamaya, Biha.
Close your left eye.
Where's your favorite?
Init? Nababagod ako sa init. Hindi ka nabibingi, pag magpa-park ka?
I give you a sample.
That one is loud.
How to shoot.
What's that? Makahiya.
Ano yun? Sino yun?
Anak ni Colonel.
Basta kakabother
Okay.
yung init.
Firing.
Lakas!
Mata siya.
Di ba lang mabibingi ako dyan? Shit! Nice!
Okay.
Out.
Position. You put your thing. Yes. Okay. This is a dead center only. If you're in the target. Okay. One side, this side. Okay. Firing. No. Here. You put here at the center, not here. Okay. No. Here. Here only. Yeah. Okay.
Malambot lang ba yun?
No, you put.
Okay lang.
You need to sight it.
target.
Sight. Put your chin here. Yeah, like that. Okay. Firing. Yeah. Go. Another. Go. Still firing. Release magazine.
Ituro mo muna yung pattern aiming.
This is a proper aim. you cannot see your target is go outside. Okay? But if you put your chin here and then you make your target is alignment and then fire. Okay? Another three rounds. To the target. You see it? You see it? Always trigger finger out unless I have no order to
Naano
fire
ko
when
sa
you are
sound
ready.
B.
Okay?
Doon ako naano sa
You see
sound.
it?
Ay, malakas na.
Target? Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hold your breath, then fire.
Kuya, di ba malakas yung sound pag ano, hawak mo?
Hindi naman.
Fire when you are
Yung
ready.
impact lang, no?
Slow mo. This is slow. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hold your breath, firing.
Malayo.
Okay. What's your target?
You're far.
The 10 rounds.
Mababaya. Mababaya.
Lower.
Tutod.
Up.
Mga babae.
Okay. Target. Your target at the center. Your up. Yeah, okay. Go.
Almost near.
Ano tuturan mo yun, B?
You're on your left. Left.
Tapos may kayo sandbag na set.
Ha?
Tapos may sandbag na.
Ari, yun na.
Tutod niya gabon.
Yes.
Lagi siya dito, no?
Pagkakit na
Left.
kayong kaliwa na. Ito yung tutod.
Close your left eye. Yeah. Okay.
Kaya tutod niya yung magiting
The
niya.
target at the center. Okay.
Blurred.
Go. Continue.
Medyo lapit na.
Nasa baba lahat eh.
Wala na yan.
Wala na, naka-open bolt na sir.
Open ball. Okay. Release magazine safety.
Look at his target.
Kuya, pwede hawakan to? Walang naman.
Ay, wag, B. Pag meron dito, wag.
Side point here. Okay.
Oh.
Another. Okay. The head.
Paano ba? Paano mo may spotan yun?
Okay.
Dapat yung
Fire
front
when
at saka
you're ready.
rear. Tapat.
At the,
Doon?
okay. The head.
Yun.
Go.
Tama na. Follow through.
Follow. Continuous. Continuous.
Hit.
Ayun, tumaas na.
Tama na.
Hindi yan ka masasaktan dito, B.
Hindi.
Continue.
Basta nakalapat siya, ma'am. Hindi siya.
Wala nang bala.
Meron pa silang 30 rounds, ma'am.
Go. Continuous. Continuous. Your side on the
Follow through.
head. Okay.
Si Bukid titingnan ko doon mamaya.
Puta.
Tama. Shit.
Continuous.
Actually, nakusok ko yung water bag kanina.
Oo.
Continuous. Okay,
Okay, follow through.
continuous. Continuous. Mag-open bolt siya. Go.
Ilan patok ba yan?
10.
Sa QC yun.
Yung pinasok mo.
Up.
Ano natin? Okay. Wow. They have. So you have. Oh, look at your target.
Bigyan mo siya ng ano, city.
Look at your
May natamaan. Natamaan ba?
Tumatama.
How's your feeling?
Di pag palagad ka, pili ka dito.
Na.
Dali. Dali mo yung picture ni ano dyan.
Maputik di.
Where's your front? Where did you aim? Here. Here. Yeah.
Okay, next one, this.
Yes. You need to aim here.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, headshot.
The head, I got the head.
Only the head.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32.
About 33.
You're so very young.
Yeah, I want to join the Philippine Army.
23.
See my targets.
Labi.
Malapin kasi kain na ka. Storage
Bukan mo
food.
5 rounds.
Headshot.
Pota na mo kasi may kwenta ang video eh.
10 rounds.
Pota na.
Get your stable position. Aim your target. Aim your target. Release safety when you are ready. Okay. Fire when you are ready.
Ito pang ilang bata. Dinala niya yung vape. Hindi tuloy ako makapag-vape.
Ah, nagbe-vape siya?
Hindi pinak na. Oo, wow, nag-vape yan pag umipak yan. Umiinom mo.
Continuous.
Okay, follow through.
You have remaining 8 bullets. Continue.
Yung vape mo.
Continuous.
Ang batang.
Ako, meron pa to.
Linggit si Julia, bumili din siya.
Ganyan? Meron pa ba?
Pero red.
Continuous.
Mag-isang ano eh, landmark.
Medyo may
Oo nga.
pag ano na. Pag ano na lang, shooting. Wala na akong ano.
Continuous.
Anong gagamitin ko? Eto?
Eto, hindi oh. Binura ko, nagbura ako. Pero
Okay.
mag-video ka na lang pag
Continuous.
go na. Pero next time ba, pwede magdala ng picture dyan?
Yun gagawin niya daw target.
Pwede eh.
Magpapaprint ako ng sarili kong picture. May tatargetan lang ako.
Okay, tapos na.
Okay.
Open bolt. Release
Figure
magazine.
out. Release
Safety.
magazine. Safety.
Okay. Safety.
Ako naman.
Okay. Up.
Verify your target.
Verify your target.
Picturean mo kayo yung target.
Look at your target.
Where is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh!
Grouping.
Yeah.
I got all my
It's a
targets.
You know how to shoot. You're good.
I'm good.
Yeah.
In your target. Aim your target. Okay. Fire when you are ready. Firing. Okay, good. Okay, good. Continue. Don't touch at the top. Okay, don't touch here. You put here. Okay? Okay, continue. Don't touch your thumb. Lower, like that. Okay, continue. Continue. Bend your knee, like that. Here, like that. Lower. Okay.
Gumagalaw.
Tamo.
Which one is strong? That one
This
or...
one is more stronger.
I don't like this one. Ayaw ko na, be. You do it.
No, no, no. I don't want to do
Yan
it.
kalabala rin.
I don't want to do it.
This one is
Oh, another.
No, no, no. I cannot. I don't want to do this.
malakas siya.
Sana. You grip it. Okay. Continuous. No, you grip your hand so that they cannot shake it, okay? Continuous. Continuous. Continue. Okay. Okay.
Hindi pa met.
Okay, another one. Tight it. Okay, you have a load. You aim it. Okay. Firing.
Pistol target.
Yeah.
45.
Oh my god.
Where is it?
Here, here. That's in there.
This is my target.
Pistol.
Thank you, sir.